Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as promised I'm gonna show you guys my new relaxed hair wash day routine from start to finish. Oh my gosh, look at that body and shine. Oh my gosh, and these products, they have never disappointed me ever since I started my relaxed hair journey, so get into it. And honestly, I swear by all these products, I don't think I'll ever not restock them, but let's get into the video. So this is my hair, I think 2 or 3 weeks post relaxer touch up, and honestly I probably could have gone an extra week, but anyways, I'm gonna go in with my Redken extreme length shampoo, and this has biotin in it. Oh my gosh, it smells so nice. And I'm just starting that with the first rings because my hair has a lot of moisture, like a lot of products and oil. So the first round of shampoo, as you can see, it wasn't really getting steady, but that's fine because I usually use the first round to get the gunk out. So now the second round is actually sorting out because it's removing what was there before. And if you see me looking to the side, I'm looking in the mirror that I have in the shower, and I have it in the shower for this specific reason, because sometimes I am missing spots when I'm washing my hair or washing out the relaxer, so that is clutch. Then after that, I'm going in with the conditioner, and this also has biotin in it, 4% length care complex, and the shampoo had 1% length care complex, if I didn't mention that before. Listen, this conditioner, thick. When I tell you thick, it's so thick, and I don't even know how to explain it, but as you can see, I'm putting it on my hair and my hair is absorbing it, and it just adds back the moisture that was washed out with the shampoo before. Even though the shampoo is not drying, but this just adds more moisture to your hair. Like, oh my gosh. And it's so fun because the bottles are so small, but I think a little goes a long way and it will last you a long time. And this is the hair rinsed out, like completely rinsed out, and I'm just gonna wrap that up and then move on to the other side off camera, of course, and then come back when I'm doing my deep conditioner. So I'm gonna be deep conditioning with 2 products, the male Babasu mint deep conditioner and the TGIN Miracle Repair X deep hydrating hair mask. And the reason why I really wanted to like mix them is because the TGIN mask is very hydrating, as it says, and it repairs as well. But the male, that one is also moisturizing, but it has protein in it. So yeah, I'm just gonna wrap that up and put it in this plastic cap, and then put my microfiber towel on it so it gets a little bit extra steamy. Going with my Afro G keratin and green tea reconstructorizer, Redken extreme anti-snap treatment plus protein, Redken all soft moisture restore leave-in treatment with hyaluronic acid, OK Naturals pure olive oil, OGX extra penetrating argan oil to seal everything in, and then I'm going to go in with my Chi iron guard for heat protection, and I'm just gonna repeat this whole process with each section. Then of course I'm using the chase method to straighten my hair, but I try not to go more than 2 passes. Honestly, I don't even like using 2 passes because I try to get the blow drying process like to the T, where it's straight enough where I can just do 1 pass. But yeah, and please guys, don't mind my face while I'm doing this because I'm very sensitive to heat like that. And plus I was so distracted because I was watching the TV. So yeah, but this didn't take me that long because, like I said, the blow drying process was very thorough, so I didn't really have to go back multiple times to like get it ball straight. Like 1 pass was enough. So after everything is done, I usually like to immediately wrap my hair, and I learned how to wrap my hair like this on TikTok. I don't remember the creator's name, but if I can find her, I'll put her name on the screen. But she changed it for me because I was not wrapping my hair like this when I had relaxed hair back in the days, but this way it keeps your hair straight and keeps the body in your hair as well. And listen, I will have this in for days, and then once I take it down, my hair is just as how it was before I wrapped it. And right now, honestly, I'm due for another touch up, but you wouldn't even know unless I tell you. Apart from like the edges, like you can see the new growth on my edges, but the way how I managed to keep my hair straight from wash day and have it wrapped in the do-rag for days, you wouldn't even know. Like I can carry and stretch my hair for a good while before actually touching up again with this routine. And I swear by this routine, I've been doing this routine for like ever since I relaxed my hair. Since I honestly don't remember when. I think I did it July or September, but ever since I relaxed my hair, I've been doing it like this, these same products, and my hair has not been frizzy, fuzzy, all that jazz. It's been sleek, straight, and yeah. And this is even better because it's gonna make me be able to stretch my hair longer, which is always a plus. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notifications, like this video, comment down below, and also don't forget to check out my most recent video and follow me on Instagram if I didn't say that before. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.